Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can't believe somebody canceled that. Where are we at? Good morning. We're going to be trading through open. That's about the extent of it. Maybe a little longer. We'll see. Let's see. Safety trade live. There we go. Good morning, Don't Cast Stones. I think I'm live. Shit, didn't even check. I do not see it. Today is maybe the 24th. I think it is. How's everybody doing this fine morning? Monday morning, might add. Perfect day for us to... Today's 27th. Oh, shit. No, that makes more sense. There we go. All right. Are we actually live over there? Let's see. Chat. Oh, yeah. Looks like we really are. Cool. All right. Now let's see what we got going on. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Arginus Luna. And Rojo. Good morning. Ellen, what's up, Ellen? Good morning. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Kirk. Good morning, Sog. Good morning. Holy shit. That's a lot of you. Jamie Rojo. Good morning, Kirk Brown and CV and Taraya Edwards. You're doing good. Good, Neil. I'm glad you are. Good morning, Cristobal Armis. Here, Piggy. Good morning. Good morning, Mike Jones, 808. Good morning, Crash and Kia. And yes, it's me and Shiron. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. All right, looks like a buy stop to me on the 5-minute level, but I have not looked at the charts in days. I have not looked at the charts this morning. I literally rolled out of bed less than, well, right before I went live, less than about 3 minutes. Yeah, it's been a tough one. A little tired. All right, let's take a look on everything now. Let's take a look. I don't know what that is. Nice little buy stop. Okay. All right, so here we go. Good. See, they're all green. Now we got to get them back down to red here. 5-second sell stop to the blue line, all indices. 5-second. I would never play a 5-second sell, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here having fun, entertaining you guys. Next up, 10-second sell. 5-second sell to the blue line. I would never play that. I'm strictly looking at a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. Just like I told you the other day when I nailed it for you guys at open. It was a 5 minute buy. That thing went through the roof. So I'm looking at a 1 minute buy stop. I hope this drops down super far. Let me be specific on exactly what I'm looking for to happen. I want this to occur right there, and then we'll catch that back up part. But in the meantime, 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, all indices. 5-second sell stop, all indices. You guys do with that knowledge as you wish. I'm just here telling you exactly what's going to happen. Oh. What's up, Kirk? Wow, drink that H2 water. Oh, hydrogen water. Yeah, I know. I ain't got that, though. Doing good in the 5 minute ES1 buy stop. Nice. In the 5 minute ES1. Well, let's look at the 5 minute real quick. I'm not going to call it anything else unless you specifically ask me to. The 5 minutes. So that means you got in here 25,600. Oh, for ES1. Got it. Still though, I'd have probably ditched that 5 minute one if you got at the actual right time. Well, at any rate. It is a 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop as called out by one of our members, actually. And you should have gotten into it a little bit earlier, but I am just calling a reset for this so that we can make money eventually. Oh, I found out some interesting news. Kind of changes my bigger view without using the system view. Found out that, and I don't give a care, we don't talk about politics here, never have, never will. I am going to bring up the fact, though, that when I realized that the 22nd Amendment, I think it was, shit, this is funny. Oh boy, is for consecutive terms. And Trump didn't run for 2 consecutive terms. So the theory is that I'm really feeling at this point is that Trump's going to run for a 3rd term and that he'll win and that that'll give us another 4 plus 3. So we have another 7 years of booming for the market. I just don't believe that. I believe it has to pull down before 7 years. But if that's the case, they won't drop everything until this last year. And if they try to tank it the last year, I just think this thing can go for a while. But what do I know? I'm just going to keep calling the trades as I see them live for you guys. So you guys can make demo money live. And that's what I'll keep doing for you guys. That's all. Good morning, Super Z. Good morning, Dope Cast Stones. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Good morning, Alex and Thomas. Waiting for this pull down like I called to go down to the 10, 15 second. Yep, there you go. 15 second. There you go. Touchdown. Sell stop to the 30-second blue line. There's our 1 minute buys, 2 minute buys. Yeah, I'm going to stick with my original call of a 5 minute buy stop. Here's your take profits. 25,685.77. Then it will be going to $25,692.63 for NAS. 5 minute buy. This is after this pull down happens here. Just like it did for you guys on when I did it last time. I left you a 5 minute buy and that thing went straight up. 25,832 for NQ1. 25,841 for NQ. Let's see this one. SPX 500, 6,852, 6,854. ES1, 6,883, 6,885, 6,887 for ES1. And that's all. I'm not going to call
Demo trade
US 30.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
This morning anyways. Good morning, Cardman. Good morning, Ruben. That's just my theory on politics, so take that with a grain of salt. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Thank you, Roy. Good morning, Roy. Good morning, Brexit. Oh, all right. 1 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, we're going down to the 30-second blue line. We can watch that, I guess. I think we're golden. All right. Anybody have any quick questions for me that I can go over really quickly? I'll gladly answer any of your questions. Hey, guys. Hey, Kevin. What's up, Roy? Thank you, Roy. What's up, Matt Parker? Morning, Matt. Morning, MC. Must be ricocheting up and then coming back down. Let me see the 15-second. Yeah. More Neville. What's up, buddy? What's up, Neville, Matt, MC, Ruben? Where's all my women at? Where are all the lady traders at? Nothing against you guys, but come on now. What's up, Stacy? Morning, Stacy. All right, does anybody have any questions or any other symbols you want me to look at? Feel free. Fire away. Market open in 6 minutes. Please do not play it. I'm not calling any. There's a sell stop for 15-second NAS. NAS NQ1 ricochet back to blue line. It's going to hook, come back up, and then come back down to that 15-second blue line. I wouldn't do the sells. All symbols I ever call are currently all buys, long-term buys. And eventually they'll flip, and eventually I'll be calling sells for you guys, but not right now. Got to wait for the dailies to turn over to a sell stop. What's up, Johnny Green? Good morning, China. Now we're representing. Morning, China Bowman. Good morning, Cardman. Eli. What's up, Eli? RTY. RT. The Russell. It's going to be the same thing as everything else. Yeah. So they're all the same. Oh, the Russell is. Okay, well, this is what we can call. 5-minute buy stop. It's probably actually a 10-minute maybe. 10-minute, 15-minute. 15-minute buy stop, RTY1. 2-minute sell to the, I would never play a sell. It's just a buy. It's the same thing as all the other indices. Just apply what I told you about NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 to Russell or any other index you want. It's all the same. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Ice Bullet. All right. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Gold, where we at with gold? 3 minutes. Oh, good. Look at gold go down. Nice. This is that little reset on gold I was telling you about. Sell stop gold. And boy, would I never do a sell on gold. To the 30-minute blue line. Sell stop gold to $3,943.13 to the 45-minute blue line. You guys can do sells on gold. I would never do a sell on gold ever, not until further notice. 10-hour buy stop on gold. That's the play I'd be looking at. 4,078, 4,133, 4,270, and then gold would be going up past 4,400, and that is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
How
advisor.
long do you wait to after market open? Not long. I'm leaving real early if that's what you're asking. What's up, Matthew? Matthew Gorlick, good morning. Bitcoin. I've been calling gold for the last 3 years 100% accurately, and Bitcoin also since March the 8th, 2023. And it was at 26,500. I called Bitcoin all the way up. It's now a closed call for me is what I, symbol is what I call it. And Bitcoin itself is going to, oh shit, 1 minute to market open, 1 minute to market open. I gotta go. Bitcoin itself is going to, it's like a little 5-minute buy. 15-minute buy stop. Bitcoin is going back to $116,085. Told you this the other day. I told you where Bitcoin was going. $120.94. And then Bitcoin will go up past 125,000 and then past 130, and that's Bitcoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
We actually have to look at our charts now. Oh, looky there. Very pretty. Very pretty. My official call on this one is a 5-minute buy stop. Yo, wait, what? Oh, no. Hold on. Market open. Let's see if this is the one. Nope, these are all different times. Fuck, hold on. Damn, calling it. NAS. Hold on. Yeah. NAS 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop in the money at market open. You're welcome. Thank you, God. NQ1. You're in the money on the NQ1. 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop. You're welcome. I wasn't even looking at the damn charts. SPX, you're in the money on. ES1, you're in the money on. Please close down all trades. There's no reason to hold that trade. YM1, you made money, and US30, you made money. So you're welcome across the board. Yay. That's how you trade. That's exactly what I called, exactly what happened. What a gorgeous, that was actually a 12-hour fill in the gap buy stop. That's what that was. Good morning, NM. All right. Everybody thrilled with the call on open? Everybody saying thank you, God. Thank you for the system. That was a nice, easy open. Totally called. Just, I mean, anyone could have called that. All right. Everybody happy? I'm going to go ahead and go. TikTokers, YouTubers, Facebookers, anybody have any questions before I go? Ask now. Any questions? Nice, easy open. There we go. All right, guys. See you on TikTok. Everyone have a wonderful day. You're welcome, Brexit. God bless you. Talk to y'all later. All right, YouTubers going to run too. You're welcome, MC. You're welcome, Ken. You're welcome, Mike. You're welcome, China. All right. God bless y'all. God bless everybody.